Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ford F-150 XLT. Under the hood we have a 5-liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in this very nice blue, it looks great. You do have your chrome accenting with your Ford badging, as well as your lights and your fog lights. Right down here we do also have our tow hooks and the chrome bumper. Coming around the side here we do have our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires with our 18-inch rims. It looks great. You do have your your mirrors just right up there, and you do also have your running boards along the bottom. Coming all the way around to the back, we do have our 6-foot box. You got your F-150 and your Ford badging, as well as your backup camera. You can open it up just like that. Lots of room back here as well, and it does have the spray and box liner, so nothing will get scratched up, as well as it does have the cover. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You got your panic button there, and you can do that as well for the keys. Let's go take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Handle here with your handle, as well as you got some storage here and down here. Looks great in here. The cloth seats are very nice as well. This guy does control the lumbar support and the tilt there. And then right over here, we do have the controls over our lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as we have our fog lights here, our light for the back, and the in-cabin light control there. And up here, we have the control of the turn signals, high beams, and our windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge, our engine temperature, and all those different guys there. Then right in the center it does tell us our digital speedometer, but we can switch that around to our engine information, our status, distance still empty, transmission temperature, tire pressure, digital speedometer, and back to your engine information. You got all sorts of different options on the side here as well to look through. That is control from right here. You do also have your cruise control options, horn in the center, and your control over your volume, your skip, and your mode there. Bluetooth option is just down there. And our gear shift is right here. When you do shift into reverse, you got that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. Over here we do also have our traction control, our hazard lights, CD, our music. We also have the radio. It does have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in here as well. Then you got your media tab if you have one hooked up through your phone or through your aux cord or anything like that. You got your phone options here, as well as your menu right over here as well. And then up here we do have our presets. And then down here, these buttons do control what's happening on the screen. Volume up and down with the power. You have your selector as well as the skips, your tuner over there, and then we have our climate control down here with our CD player. You got your power here, your off and on, where it's going to blow out of, your circulation and AC, and then your hot and cold. And then over here we do have the control over the 2-wheel, the 4-wheel, high and low, and then we have our trailer backup and our trailer brake, as well as there's some storage just down there, as well as a USB plug-in and a little plug-in right there. You got some cup holders just down here, and then you do have your 2 cup holders here with your armrest. Doubles as a storage container. There's some room just in there. You can fold this up as well, and then there's another seat. It does seat 6 people all together. There's a little handle here that you can lift up, and there's some storage just underneath there as well. And then over here we do have our locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it, and then you have the top layer there. And then up here we do have our sunglass holder and some light control there. Let's take a look here. Open this guy up. On the door here you have the control of your windows, your handle, as well as some storage and more down there. Looks great back here as well. Very comfortable seats. You can fold this up and you do have some more storage right underneath there as well to fold it back down. You just gotta pull that guy and it folds right back down for us. And there's our 5-liter V8 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ford F-150. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.